Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide relationship status on Facebook, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to hide relationship status on Facebook. When you are on Facebook, click on your profile icon. After that, click on your name and then click about. After that, just scroll down and click family and relationships, and here relationship, if you click in the pencil icon and then here just select the relationship, single, a relationship, engaged, married, etc. Okay, now for example, if you are single and then you want to hide the relationship, just select only me, or just you can, for example, friends, that means only your friends can see your relationship. Or here you have custom, share with, you can share with some people or don't share with some people, just you can type the names here. After that, just click save. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to hide relationship status on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.